kids that are watching, because it's going to be kids, adults, everybody in between watching, what would be a message that you would give to them? A kid that may be struggling to get on the team, a kid that may be struggling with the grades, a kid that's just really trying to make it. What would be a message that you would send to them?
Man, we got to keep God first. Like, pray to God, like, and you got to be consistent with God. It's not hard to, like, making a wish. Like, you seeing a shooting star just making a wish. It's like, you got to be consistent when you praying to God.
Yes.
You know? Like, it's not just no one time, like, man, it didn't work, so I'm not going to start praying and just go for what I know. You got to be consistent to God. And, like, he going to hear our prayers, you know, because he got to tend to all of us, because it's not just you praying to God. All of us praying to God, like, you know, especially the believers. You got to believe in that. And that's pretty much all I say on that. Like, man, you believe in God, you pray to God, like, I want to be this. He probably give you another path, like, nah, he don't want you to play football. He might want you to be a basketball player. Or he might want you to be a baseball player or a musician or something like that.